everybody, welcome to or back to my channel, Mel KB Vlogs. Okay, so very exciting. We are on our last and final cruise of this contract, and it is an 18-day transatlantic crossing. So we start in Lisbon and we're going all the way back to New York City. We have a bunch of port days in between. It's not like all just sea days. So it's gonna be really fun. We're like soaking up our last moments in Europe before we head on over to Bermuda and then New York. So I'm gonna bring you along on this 18-day cruise. Let's do it. All right, we made it to Seville. Here we are. It's Mel and Garrett day.
Melvin and Gary take it to Sevilla. Oh my God, that's an onomatopoeia. Sugar Mama bought me an espresso. I thought it was just
It was €1,
but
I really splurged.
put
Whoa.
that bad boy in there, set her down, press the button.
That's
This
fancy.
is my Nespresso. Thank you for coming. Thank you for playing.
We're finishing off the day at this really cool bar by the river, and Garrett is a hoodlum and is gonna take some shots.
Listen, the bar is called New York, Mel. You should be taking shots.
Damn, all right,
But she's
let's
not,
see it.
So, here's number one.
What's this shot to? What are you cheersing to?
This one's to the city of Sevilla.
All right.
Absolutely gorgeous. People were amazing. Sights were amazing. This shot
10 out
is
of
gonna
10.
be amazing. Shot number two. You know what? I was gonna be funny, but I'll be senti. Shot number two is to this contract.
Nice.
What a blessing, what a time. Great times, great people, great memories. Even Mel, she's pretty cool sometimes, I guess.
Making memes.
Yeah. And also, this one is to Melvin and Gary's great adventure in Sevilla.
Coming to a children's book near you.
2023, baby.
It's our last day in Las Palmas. And we're just at the beach. It's honestly kind of a little cold because it's windy and it's cloudy, but when the sun's out, it's nice. Shirt.
Blueberries, raspberries, and guacamole.
Wow.
What day is it?
Good Friday.
What, I mean, what day of the cruise for your vlog?
Oh, crap. I don't know. I'll put it in the editing.
Okay, well, day...
It's our last pump. No. It's
Tenerife
our last
day.
Tenerife day.
And Mel has only just discovered this gluten-free bakery out of this whole contract. Multiple stops in this place, and she's only just found
Every
this.
cruise.
Look at this, they have pizza.
Wow.
Well,
Crazy
enjoy.
stuff, man.
We'll have a food haul later.
Wow.
Wow.
It's kind of like the ones at McDonald's, but better.
We got some dogs.
Okay, let's check the calendar. It is the C day before we get to the Azores. So it's day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Day 8 of the cruise. And we are closing Rock You tonight. Super excited. We get to close another show. And then after that, we only have one more show to close. We closed Broadway Cabaret last night. Yeah, pretty exciting stuff. Okay, we're ready for the opening number, the first show. Liv, how do you feel?
I feel abandoned.
That's good. We're ready. Okay, circle back. Circle. I have a really long break. I have a really long break at this point of the show. Just chilling. Here's the fit. Cute. That's it. Girls. Hi. Ready, Gemma? Have fun. Hey guys, how are you? How do you feel? How do you feel that we're the only ones not in this number? Great.
Thankful, relieved, it's self-deserved, I'd say.
Yeah.
We'd only outshine the others.
Yeah, we would only outshine them, like,
So yeah, it's nice to do charity work, give other people the spotlight.
right, yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel the same exact way, like I couldn't have said it better.
Singers, dancers, might just think of that.
Yeah. Okay, kids. I have one thing to say.
One more time!
Yeah.
We don't want none unless you got some heart.
Okay, so we're on our second and a half, I would say, sea day, because we left this port at like 3 o'clock, and then we've been at sea, and we have one more, and then we don't get to Bermuda until like 4, so it's just lots of days at sea. Today's really rocky. It's 9 a.m. right now, and this is my porthole because they closed it for safety reasons, and this picture is on top of it to make me not scared. So that's how it's going on our little crossing. It's our last full day at sea. It's been a long little crossing. So this is today, and then we have half the day, and we get to Bermuda around 4 o'clock. And it's so exciting, I can't wait to be on land again. Here, I'll show you outside. It's looking pretty good. It's a bit wavy, as you can see. But in more exciting news, we are closing our last show tonight. We're closing World Beat. I'm really excited. And then we just have a couple days, I think 3 days for me left until I leave the ship. So this is like our last real night of working finished. and it's just really exciting. I'm like, it's also bittersweet closing a show because I don't know when I'm gonna be working again. I don't know when somebody's gonna hire me to be on stage again. I'm hopeful that it's gonna be soon. I'm hopeful that, you know, things are, the good energy's flowing. I'm like feeling hopeful, but it's, you know, sad when you're on stage bowing and hearing everybody clapping and you're like, wow, I need to like take this in because I don't know when that's gonna happen again. Yeah, so that's today. I'm about to head to the theater and that's it. We just finished the first show and look how sweaty my hair is. It is so sweaty. Whew. One more show, baby. What's your name? Where are you from? Why are you here?
Do you want my full government name?
Yeah.
Courtney John Daniel Matthias.
Cool. Where are you from?
South Africa.
Why are you here?
Well, they hired me to dance, but...
You're not very good. How do you feel about closing our shows officially? Damn! I'm gonna have to bleep that out too, yeah. Alright, Julia, how do you feel about closing our shows? Okay. I'm not gonna put any of this in. Garrett, maybe you'll give me some quality content. How do you feel about closing our shows?
I mean, it's bittersweet. We've been here for like 8 years, 8 months. It's the last time we're gonna perform with this group of people specifically, so it's real sad. Even Mel, I'm even gonna miss
Garrett wins.
You're gonna get copyrighted.
Yeah, you're gonna copyright me.
Yep. 5 minutes, we'll go.
Thank you, 5.
Thank you, 5.
Okay.
Do we need them?
Hi, please help me. Mel has been holding me hostage for 8 months, and everyone thinks I'm here to do the shows, but I'm only here because Mel has been hurting me and holding me hostage. Please, somebody call my mom.
Are you gonna start crying?
No, but I might be in the show. I don't know why.
No, it's so weird.
But I'm just a few little words. I feel like this contract has been like a wild ride for everyone, and like start to end is I feel like we're a completely different cast, and I'm so grateful for every one of you and dancing with you and sharing the stage with you, and I wouldn't be able to do my job without you. So thank you for making this contract what it is. I love you guys.
We love you.
Retweet.
Good luck topping that.
Yeah.
I know.
No pressure.
I feel like really sad. Like, I
We nearly
know.
cried
I
at
just
first.
love you guys, and I'm honestly gonna miss you all a lot. I normally don't miss people very much.
Yeah, we made it.
Yeah, we made it. We did it. We're ending strong. We're ending strong. And I love you all. Let's kill it in our favorite show.
For the last time, 1, 2, 3. We don't want none unless you got sun, hun.
How do you feel about this champagne?
You know I love a little
She loves a little drink.
bubble, so.
Ready? Ready? I just push it?
Pop you up. Oh, just kidding.
Amateurs.
Oh!
They're not COVID time.
Oh my goodness. We're on land. Jackie. We're in Bermuda. We're in Bermuda.
Yeah.
We're doing an overnight. And we're at this beach club. Drinking, having some fun.
Yeah, life is good. I'm not gonna sing this one in 5 days. Or this one. It's live, that's it.
I'm upset. I have to go. It's our last port day. We're in Bermuda and we're leaving. this gorgeous beach, getting on this cute bus, and it's literally my last time in a port with my little friends. It's our last moments on land together. We're never gonna be on land together again.
That's a lie.
And
Until
we're
I
never gonna
see-
see
until I
each other
see you
again.
I'm coming to New
This
York
lighting
to
is
take
it.
classes with Mel.
We're gonna see each other. It's our last, or my last day on board, and it's very stormy and scary. We just watched a ballroom competition. Jack, how was that? Incredible. It's 5:45 a.m. My room's empty. And I have to go, we're in New York City. I have to go do immigration and then some other sign-off things, and then I'll be leaving. My little room. I'm never gonna have a room like this again. Damn. Bye. Bye. Okay, I'm back on land. I'm at my parents' house because somebody is still living in my apartment. But yeah, it's all done. I already miss it so much, and just like editing this vlog made me miss everything. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe and follow along for my next adventures, whatever they may be. But I'm gonna keep on vlogging and keep you guys in the loop. So thank you, and talk to you next time.